Let me just spotlight myself. So we're running with Ellen's fantastic ideas and just honing in on that little fancy hammer-on. It's over a G chord, so we want to know what the landscape is that we've got to do this. And using Ellen's marvelous technique of these two fingers, for me, I'm tucking away my other two fingers. How many fingers do I have? Oh my God. My other three fingers, getting them out of the way. So we're doing alternating. So it's just the thumb and the index. That's great. Makes me want to run out and buy a banjo. So what Ellen was doing was this. So the fancy is on the C string. And it's underneath, making a G form. And remember, this fancy goes with a G chord. So it's underneath our index finger. And it's a combination of taking that finger off and then hammering it down and plucking with our right hand at the right time. So we've got a... When we go to do that alternating bass to the C, remember, this is the template that we're working with. Ba, 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 ba. It's that one that we're fancying up. So we've got the G, low G. Now, I'm getting ready to hit the C string, and I'm going to lift my index finger off the fretboard, okay? But I'm going to pluck the string. So we're plucking a C string, we're getting a C note, and then I'm going to hammer with my index finger, which means I'm going to press it in really hard. You see, the sound I'm making a sound with my left hand, not my right. Because, now you see, if you do it softly, it ain't gonna work. You have to go. So imagine you got a hammer here. If I had a hammer, so putting it together, it would be. See, Ellen, I keep going back to my old way. This is going to take a lot of woodshedding. So, let's do this together. That's all we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was also doing a little trick with the C chord, because we go to a C chord in this song. So which note were you doing, Ellen?
Hammering on the G.
Here? You know what? I'm going to spotlight you so you can show us how you were doing that C. Okay. Ah.
So it's the G, hammer on, and then you pluck the C immediately after it. The hammer on is like fast.
Ah.
You can hammer on any string. Hammer on both of them. And the second fret.
Oh, so cool. And using just these two fingers. Oh, thank you for bringing the banjo world to our ukulele universe. Fantastic. Thank you.